Welcome back to the third part of this video series about two-hand tapping, and the last part is gonna show you how you can apply phrasing elements like bendings and vibrato to tapped notes, which is quite interesting to do. Most guitarists overlook that it's even possible, and they just try to cheat their way around it, but here's a pretty cool way on how to apply bendings first and then vibrato to two-hand tapping notes. And for this you should be quite familiar with how to do string bends in tune and how to play vibrato, because that's what you're going to need with your left or with your fretboard hand. It's pretty easy to do if you got the technique from your fretting hand down, because what you really do is you do the same thing only with your left hand, and you do the same thing with what you do with your tapping with your right hand or with your picking hand. So for example, you play, what you do is you just bend up here. The hardest part is to mute the other strings, because you don't have your right hand to put here to mute the other strings, so you have to find different ways to mute the strings. Anyway, that's one way you can do that. Make sure that you find a way to mute the other strings. So let's say you have progression of E minor and C. You could do that on the second string. E minor, C, and then bend this up to the C. Not so hard to do actually if you got that down. So that's how you can apply phrasing and elements like vibrato and string bendings to two-hand tapping. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit my free download section. The link at the below this video will take you there. If you need more guidance with your playing, and if you want to reach more, I can help you with that. I teach guitar in Tampere, so make sure to get in touch with me over www.Kitaristi. There's a contact form that you can fill out, and I will get in touch with you as soon as possible to talk with you about your current frustrations and or challenges, or basically anything about guitar that interests you. And I'm really excited to get to know you, get in touch with you, and get to learn who you are and what you want to achieve. So yeah, don't hesitate, get in touch with me. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.